so I need to log into TikTok real quick. This QR code. No, I don't need to because I get to scan your own. TikTok's where the I think a lot of juice will come from a lot. The Berlin Power, Discord. Okay, wait a second. Talk Live Studio, what's going on? Primary streaming is going to be our YouTube. Add account. Oh, I have to add account. Yeah. Communications. Now, let me just quickly see if Streamlabs gives me a key. Save settings. Editor. CPU usage is high. Change that. Some stuff after. Close Discord. So what do you see? You right now, what do you see?
Let me check. I see, like in that Streamlabs screen that you sent, the link. Yeah, I see my avatar, window for my avatar, and
That's
then I
it.
see, and then you. but it's placed side by side.
So the webcam and
That's it.
microphone sources of below will be broadcasted to your guests. Now, share video source. Webcam source. I don't know. I think the best way is actually you just you on another page. You go on YouTube, then you see how it's doing. Let's actually let me do it.
Please send me the link.
This Chinese company could kill OpenAI and ChatGPT.
Okay. Now let me see one thing here on our vertical chat. Your thing isn't very collab. Your frame isn't very. Oh, no, collab. Whatever frame. That dude. Oh, I have locked. Need to change your frame so that it's nice and tight like that.
Sure. Huh? Huh? Put down my chair. Okay, to fix my chair, bro. Fix it next week.
There you go. Josh the cat has been well framed. Now, let's make sure that TikTok is YouTube Studio. One should be able to find it if I write just click on it.
We have just a few seconds to change your mood.
I'm trying to find out your channel. All right, here we are. Yep, this is it.
We have just a few seconds to change your mood.
So let me give this to TikTok because it's asking me. Shouldn't be because I already have studio. if we manage to get on TikTok.
Yeah.
Do you hear the music?
Not really, no.
Um,
Yeah.
do you hear the music?
Not really, no.
So, it's here on Discord on my phone. Send you this. I suggest you can watch it yourself on a second screen or on a mobile phone. And then
Check
you
it out on my mobile.
Let me send you
Check it out.
It's here. Okay. Watch it yourself. On a second screen or on a mobile phone.
Check it out on my mobile.
There. So that means post this.
Ready to take your business to the next level? Scale it with the commerce platform made for entrepreneurs.
See.
Shopify is specially designed to help you grow your business with
That's
easy,
good.
customizable themes that let you build your brand,
Very good.
marketing tools that get your products out there. Yeah, way out there. Ready to take your business to the next level? Scale it with the commerce platform
Okay,
made
now,
for entrepreneurs.
what happens is
Shopify is specially designed to help you grow your business.
I can hear
Easy,
echo from
customizable
you.
themes that let you build your brand. Marketing tools that
Echo,
get your products
okay.
out there.
So
Way out there.
you're watching it somewhere where it's too loud. And it's
How about now?
yeah, now it's good. What happens is I can hear echo from you.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do the same thing as like putting it on my mobile. But I turn off the sound somewhere where the sound it's too loud. Just to see like and it's
How about now?
comments or stuff like that. And see if everything. I'm just gonna do the same thing as like put it
Gamified live stream, learn and earn arena, upskilling the new Gen AI polymath for future ready high demand tech jobs. Yeah. Yeah, so
and see if everything.
Gamified live stream, learn and earn arena, upskilling the new Gen AI polymath for future ready
Okay,
high demand
I think we're good. Now, of course, like I don't think like
yeah, so
the first most of the good parts of the streams in the beginning that will get attention are gonna be like shorts that are taken out or things that are edited into smaller movies. Like if we do a Devon test, like you can actually make a video that has it's called Devon test, and eventually people like to tune into the stream. Still hear myself a little bit.
That's strange. Because my volume is
Okay,
at
wait,
zero.
maybe it's me. Yeah, it's me. It's me. Sorry,
Okay.
it's my bad. Still hear myself. Access approved. Okay, we're approved on TikTok. That's great. Let's go. Let's go live, baby. If you have live access but still aren't able to go live, go to TikTok profile, create a choose live rules and guidance restricts to see if you have any violations. I think so. Let me see. Okay. TikTok. Just check. I don't want to log off. I just want to check if we're on TikTok. Settings. Output default. Stream. TikTok. I think we're in. We're in. Okay. Now I'm just gonna run a quick test. And like first of all, we're supposed to be live on X. Look, yeah, we're live on X. See
Nice.
this? That's pretty cool. Alright, now let's check on TikTok. Give me something. Is it better with this lighting or without? Tell me what you think. Yeah, I like it better.
Yeah, without looks good.
That's good. Alright.
So what's left, man? I'm so fucking exhausted. Can't
We're
even
getting
breathe
started.
properly.
Alright. Let me just check TikTok. TikTok is the one that I'm mostly concerned about because actually Twitch and TikTok. And then
Exclusivo. Conheça a pessoa que só vive dormindo e não faz nada da vida. Jornal Nacional foi até a casa dela para entrevistar, mas ela estava dormindo. Não perca. É hoje às 8 horas da noite.
okay, this is
Exclusivo. Conheça a pessoa que só vive dormindo e não faz nada da vida. Jornal Nacional foi até a casa dela para entrevistar, mas ela estava dormindo. Não perca. É hoje às 8 horas da noite.
so kind of
Exclusivo.
Okay,
Conheça a
that's
pessoa que...
live. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. All right, now here's the deal. Josh Mancat. You're tired. I'm tired. I think everybody's a little bit tired. It's been a long day. So let's keep this. Let's keep this pretty chilled. We are, after all, in the first. As you can see, there's a quest progress bar. We're still quest number 1. No, which is code composed. For those of you that are not familiar, it's more about leveraging the tools that you have available that are able to make most of the coding for you. Of course, it comes with bugs, mistakes, and it needs human intervention. But essentially, aside from its limitations, if you put together a couple of tools together, you can code compose pretty much almost anything nowadays. I think what would be cool, Josh, the cat, is if you have, you can either do like a screen share mode or you can run me through it, because I would like to make a after I won't cut it out, make an actual YouTube about a full test, because there are not many on Devon. And I thought, what better way to do this than showing me a bit around about how it works, how it connects. And I've seen we have a page which is half ready to launch. The one about our future-proof ERP CRM system. I want to make some corrections there. I want to maybe put in some a Lottie, something that gives it a little bit of pizzazz. And I want to see what Devon's up and how it works. To do that, what I'm going to do is spin up. Oh, right. I forgot about this.
Passagem vai ser aqui em casa novamente, mas não vou cometer
This is
o
my
mesmo erro do
cursor,
ano
boys.
passado, em que passei os dias seguintes a limpar a casa para voltar a ter tudo em ordem. Há uns meses pedi um serviço de limpeza.
You know, look, hey, just check this out. I got these tunes, like music, but you gotta see the video styling on this.
Check it out.
Let me just run it for a little bit. It's low-key pretty epic. Yeah, look at that. Check it out. Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway. Cursor, our favorite development tool. It's been developing really well. The guys behind it are putting in a lot of work, and it,
Thanos Gemstone.
yeah, right. Now, let me run me through how I can deploy Devon. First of all, does it make sense to deploy it through Cursor? Should I maybe be looking at using Devon on its own, like environment that they provide? It's not really an IDE, but it, you know, I would prefer that it's all done here, but you know.
Yeah. I think from my observation, after playing around with it, I saw that Devon actually works like it works better, especially when it comes to user experience, like developer experience. It works better when you make use of the extension directly on your VS Code. Yeah, because one of the ways I was able to establish and do what I was able to do, like spawning up new pages, was that I first had to like I know Devon has both full access to your code base, both remotely and locally, right? So he's able to perform um, local actions and then able to perform actions remotely, right? So I was able to first ask it to make the changes locally, right? And then once I'm able to like see the changes I made, the fixes and messages and all of those things, and then I now prompted it, told Devin, told her to then push the changes up to
Wait, wait, wait,
uh,
wait, wait. Did you say her? I, is Devin a her, a she, or a he?
she's definitely she.
You,
She's
you
a,
think it's? I
yeah,
thought so too. I've always said like these guys think Devin's a dude. No, no, no.
she's a babe.
She's Devin. Devin's a boss girl. That's what I think. Devin's a boss girl. Devin's a boss girl who's coming here to take your jobs, boys.
Yeah.
That's right. So yeah, they got an extension. Actually, wait. Before that, there was another extension that I really wanted to add on our cursor. Wow, what was it? We talked about it before.
Mm,
Ba, 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 ba.
try to remember.
Let me see over here on our Discord. Come on, try and stay away. Just a few minutes.
Bro. Man,
You're
it's
live. There's like 1,500 people, right? 1,700, 800, 2,000 people now looking at it. I'm joking.
uh,
So there was this thing which I wanted to add, which was to our cursor. Yeah. Oh, V0 integration. But we can look. Then we can explore that later. But I just
honestly, I really even want to look. I really love to like deeply explore the extension, right? Deeply, because one of the things that I've noticed is that most of this extension that we install, like we just install it and then we don't really get to learn about
agree.
all
Agree.
the features and benefits here, and then we miss out on a lot of things.
The big
Yeah.
problem of the constant spray of new products, new innovations, right? Just nailing down exactly our preferred stack. Sometimes it might not be the best one, but if you're good at it, you know how to work your way well with it, then it is the best stack. So let's get into Devon.
Yeah. Right. Let me try to open my report. The website reports.
Yeah, or you can see on my screen. You can run me through
Yeah.
as if I'm
Okay.
well, I am, I guess, a level 1 noob. Run me through let's say, for example, we have two options, okay? Now, for those that don't know, just a quick side note over here, Josh. For those that don't know, we also run learn&earn.com. So yes, I am not your seasoned veteran programmer, but I do have a lot of background in AI strategy and implementing different different AI technologies, or finding the overlap between different AI technologies with different workflows in different companies in different verticals, whatever you have. Josh here is more of a, let's say, a guy who springboarded from uh, from a veteran JS mean stack boy. Is that right? Into
Yeah.
head deep into AI, like take no prisoners, and we have this back and forth, which really helps not only me but the rest of the team that's behind. But for this for the sake of the stream over here. A lot of the times I got in Josh, and Josh is leading me through a lot of these technologies, a lot of these best practices, because one of the issues is exactly that. It's the lack of best practice and the lack of understanding and being always on top of the meta, and that's what I'm always punching and trying to get out of Josh, and that's what he's often imparting to me in terms of like how to do it. And what better way to learn than to actually try and do this and get from, as my personal ambition is also to get into the status of AI engineer, AI architect, somebody that knows multiple technologies and can program easily, and also understands the systems thinking, or how did you put it once, Josh? There was this the programmatical thinking behind it. That's one of my career goals right now, and I know that's one of a lot of the questions that we get, and a lot of questions that people ask when we're working on our agency side, is precisely about that. And so we wanted to stream the whole thing from me being level 1 noob. Okay, I do have some experience, but you're gonna see. I'm not your. If you come in here, it's because you're starting as a beginner with me, and you're working your way through, and the journey is something we go through together. So I just wanted to preface that with, yes, we do have a business, and we are providing products and solutions for enterprises, but in an effort to take our focus into something which we think is much more valuable, which is the future education of the people that are going to be met with a workforce which has challenges that they are not ready for. We are not only interested in making some sort of like revised academic version of learning, but we also want to do that live, and we'll get into those details at some other stage. Today, let's get into the devilish Devon that is coming for your job, for your wife, for your kids, and let's see how good this guy is. And I have absolutely no idea. So, Josh, you say I should start with curse and the extension, right?
Yeah.
So we have two options before I let you go. In the website over here, like either one of the solutions that we've noticed that a lot of people are asking for is basically a lot of the companies that want to leverage AI don't have the infrastructure ready for it. So what they're missing is the right CRMs or ERPs, customer relationship management systems, or in different types of companies, enterprise product management systems. And that basically is the foundation of what you should have as a company, if you intend to actually take AI seriously and not just slap on a chatbot, but really start and commence a journey in which you are incrementally improving your company, its offer, and the potential that it has by tackling first the basics, the foundation, which is again the CRM and the ERP. You can think about it in layman's term is setting the soil for the plant, right? This is so that is something that we have quite a lot of experience in. We've worked with several different ones. We've exhaustively examined to find out which one is the best one that offers the best meta in terms of companies which are diving into this and still have a chance to maybe reconsider their SQL database, or still have still have the willingness or the strategic maneuvering space to be able to say we want to go with something that is future proof. And we have locked down on our own software, and it is the one that we use ourselves, and is the one that we will be also helping the customers that we work with, the people that we work with, and all of our partners integrate so that they are also able to navigate the next murky waters with more ease. And so that's one of the options, is like, we don't have yet a web page or a website, a landing page, which talks about that. And I think that is an extremely important point. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, you've done some work on that with Devon, right?
Yeah.
The other option is, well, what we've also seen is a lot of people that come to us are not exactly just individuals, as we often focused on the long tail of people that are not yet adopting AI. We've noticed that a lot of the people that are coming to us are mid-sized SMEs, sometimes even bigger companies, and what they want is not exactly a product per se, and not an audit either. We had it as an offer in our main page, and this will come in really handy for people which are looking not only to make a profession in AI, but maybe even to make their own AI agency. Is one of the things is I'm not gonna find it. Here, full value chain report, and we realized that actually a full value chain report is something that people sometimes are hesitant to diving deep in, because it reminds them of, old school KPMG style. Nothing against KPMG, but it reminds them of just consulting without execution. And what the alternative is to looking at the page, which is the CRM ERP, and having Devon try to work on that and see what he does, is taking this part, which is one of our offers, and having Devon from the very beginning offer it, but in a different kind of framework, in a framework where we're actually much more engaged with the company in terms of upskilling and upleveling, and in helping them think strategically about what to integrate and in what chain of events they should integrate different AI technologies so that they can get the best of their return on investment. So I think those are the two different possibilities that we can look at now, and as an example, to see how Devon would work with a website that has been built on JavaScript, Next.js, and a couple of what's the exact stack we got here, Josh?
Yeah, so we have Next.js, right, as our development framework, and then we have Tailwind, we have Shads Shads.
Yeah,
Keep
Shed
getting that thing
CDN.
wrong.
Yeah, I know. I
Shads
get stuff.
CDN, yeah, component library of use, and then we have a couple of libraries, so and then Vercel for deployment.
So, what
Vercel
do you
for
think?
deployment.
Like, because I mean, let's be honest over here. Gonna None of us is gonna survive a 4 hour longer stream. So,
You
um,
know,
uh, is it realistic to say, okay, let's try and see how Devon does uh, a page which is more about how by the way, I don't know what's wrong with this image. Or could be something to do with GHL. Do you see this?
hmm,
It's not loading.
the image.
Yeah, it's the one that has the nice old man. Check that out.
Yeah.
Anyway, either we look
Okay.
at that one, the one that already is like half made, and maybe we check like improvements and
I would say how about we spawn a new page,
all right, let's do that.
because that's where you get to see the real power. Spawn in a new page.
Spawning a new page. All right.
Yeah. But I
Okay.
don't know as yeah.
Yeah, I can envision how that would work. It's only a matter of this. What we're talking about here is basically the way that you market and sell the specific offer, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this would be the case where we would look at upgrading existing enterprises and their existing teams, instead of just having the AI audit, which has been the full value chain report has been one of the least demanded ones. But at the same time, we've had requests on helping people like navigate strategically on a wider bird's eye view, the future that is quickly settling. What we must reframe it is the offer, as not an AI audit where they get a report, but an actual hands-on educational slash examinational strategical coverage of their whole workflow and of how AI can benefit it, and look at the case studies in which it can benefit the company that we are working with, and help them understand what is the return on investment, the risks, the strategic benefits, the gains, how fast they can get them, so that they can have what a lot of people don't have right now, which is a transparent view as to what a longer term strategy in the AI, in breaking into AI, could look like. So that could be the page we make,
Mm-hmm.
unless you
Yeah.
have any. I mean, this is something we've wanted to do, but unless you have any other
Um,
ideas, I'd go for that.
I think the one you came up with is a good idea.
Uh,
It's a really good idea, yeah. And then yeah, let's go for the one. I mean,
so
like the main for
what about the what do you think? You want to share? I don't know if you can actually, or if we've gotten to the stage where we're streaming. We're streaming so that we can do that easily. But um, you share your screen, and I'll roll with you, or you look at my screen and you guide me through at least the extent of your experience, how we could unleash the devilish Devon to see if he can actually do this, and up to what point he
yeah.
can produce something which is of meaningful value.
Mm. So I think I'd rather look at your screen, right?
Yeah.
So that you get to experience his hands-on, right? So yeah, and I'm currently watching the live. So I'm looking at your screen, so I think it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In the future, I need to give you I'll need to give you uh, share with you so that you're not seeing the live because there's latency there, right? In the
yeah,
future, I'll give you like you'll I think access to um yeah so you have like the exact there's no latency. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so how would I get started with this? All right, let's say we got Devon. Yeah, we paid $500 for it. We wanted to test it out. Our main job over here is to be meta engineers so that we can make AI architects. And for that, you always need to know what is the new meta. So yeah, there's Ader, there's Clive, there's multiple open source ones. I think there's one that's like hugging uh, hand face or something, which is very similar. Um, and yeah, there's been a lot of scrutiny around Devon, so let's check it out. Let's see what this guy's capable of doing.
Yeah. So, first thing. Bit okay. You already have Devon installed, and you need to connect Devon to. You need to do the whole setup. So you connect Devon, you log into um, Devon's workspace. Yeah, that's what you're going to
It's
need
very
to do.
funny they got two websites. Well, not very funny.
Oh, really?
It's interesting. Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
They got. You see. Um. Anyway, the one that we want is the one that says that I'm 75% through. I have played with it a little bit. So version 101, Clinic of AI. So it's already, I think, already connected. I think with
Hmm.
with our is I'm not sure with our repository, but I'm pretty sure that that's the case. Now, What do
No,
you?
we have it. We have it like from this side. We have everything set up and connected to a repository. That's why you're seeing clinical there. Oh no, no, no. But we have literally have everything. I have done all the uh, settings and connections and everything.
Okay.
GitHub. Yeah.
All right.
So what I think you're gonna need to do is to. Sorry, guys. So what I think you're gonna need to do is to handle the setup from the extension part of it, right? So and yeah,
So should I?
yeah.
Um.
So you're gonna need to select the extension to start. Uh, you need
Devon
to
create. What about that?
no, 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 no. Like if you go to the
All right.
if you go to the extension, are you logged into the extension? You need to log in Devin.
Yeah, yeah. I'm here. It's enabled,
Uh,
but the
no,
the thing is, I'm not
you're gonna need to log in.
I'm not
I
in
think if you
any
click
repository. Yeah.
if you click on it doesn't matter. If you click on you see the arrow, the drop down arrow thing. No, 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 not the
Which one
same
of
one.
them?
If you click the drop down, where we have the extension tab,
Mm-hmm.
right? The drop down arrow
Mm,
to give you the list, it drop down by the side, beside the extension icon,
mm.
beside the extension icon. No, 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 not there, not there, not there. Um, open the extension, man. Open the extension, the step extension. Yeah,
This is
exactly.
the
So
extension.
you should see
It's a
Devin.
beta version. Yeah.
You should see Devin. Yeah, exactly. I'll pin that up too. So you select Devin from there.
Yep. I got it's
Oh,
already installed. It's already selected. I'll do the
it-
I'll do
no, no,
the
not pin it. Select Devin. Select Devin so that it opens up the a space where you get to log in. I don't know if you understand what I mean.
second. Okay.
Like back to the arrow, back to that menu that you previously left. Back to the menu. No, 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 back to the menu. Select Devin. No, not pin. Like literally not pin it. Literally just select it. Select this. Click on the name. Click on Devin.
Oh,
The Devin name over there.
I did not. I thought like once it was installed in our cursor ID. It needs to be first installed in Visual Studio Code so that it then okay. Are you using a Visual Studio Code or Cursor when you're working with Devon?
Question.
Cursor. Good. So I just install it here and then bye bye. That's fine.
See if you go back to your. I
Welcome
think
to
you're on the
Devon.
right
Pin
screen.
to the
Go back to
channel.
the cursor.
Okay.
Go back to the cursor. Yeah.
Now here another guy. Let's go Devon. Okay. Now I'm here. Now I'm here.
Honestly, I don't think this. I think if you go back to cursor, you see, basically you're supposed to sign in, right?
Yeah, sure. Let's sign
In
in.
order for them, in the yeah, so you see the sign in button.
Okay. I guess it has to authenticate. Well, aha.
Try clicking the sign in button. Yeah.
Wait. Develop. There's something happened here, which was different. Install
Here it
again.
says, "Welcome to Devin to use the extension." Yes.
Already
Yes.
done that.
Exactly. That's where you're supposed to click.
We've already done this. It's already installed. I need to import it. Maybe I just need to reinstall it.
Um,
This
try
is for good.
reloading.
This is for
How
good.
about you try?
Look here. Look here. Welcome to Devon. Pin the Devon chat to the sidebar for quick access. Yeah, that's VS Code. So VS Code's got it. Like, seems pretty. Copy extension ID. Devon authentic. Welcome to Devon. Use the extension. You'll need an account if you don't have an account. Okay, maybe I need to sign in over here before. Okay. Hi, I'm Devon. There he is. Hello, Devon. Nice to meet you. I'm DK. Create your Devons. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this here over here like that, and
Code.
allow Devon better to open this here. Sign in. Okay. Opening cursor. Okay, we got him on
But
cursor.
I was able to open Devin on my cursor
Here it is.
rather than VS Code.
Here it is. It's cursor. Devon. See?
Hello, Devin. Yes.
Now, question is, I want to spin
Okay,
up a
you're
new
back.
website. As far as I know, like he has some sort of like knowledge base of his own. You have to introduce him some sort of guidelines, and I'm assuming that you have already done that in one way or another, so that he is able to recognize the styling, the what languages, and we make instead of making like a whole project management request or a brief, that he is already like a little bit more up to date. You can just ask him quicker things.
So, so one of the things I was able to do first was I had to make sure that Devin was had access to everything that I needed him to access, right? So like just like a basic check, like, hey Devin, can you can you access my deploy environments? Hey Devin, can you access my local repository? Hey Devin, can you just
Okay, I
those
think
those
here we
yeah.
have yeah, okay. I know what you're saying. So maybe we need to take a step back quickly over here. Because as we saw last time, when I installed this cursor as an IDE, I'm not sure it is connected to our repository. Here, look. Like, to learn more about how to use Git and control in VS Code, read our docs, create your notepad, outline that. So what I'm thinking here is like, I got cursor, but the cursor isn't actually connected to our current repository, and therefore that might be the issue.
You're going to need to open a repository, your local open. Let's try opening the websites on your local, on your desktop, the website repository.
The
That's what
repository
I see.
on GitHub.
Yeah. No, no, no. You have the you clone the website, right? You've,
Nope.
have you cloned the website?
Nope.
You never cloned the website.
Nope. I've never
All
need
right.
to. Remember, I'm level 1.
Yeah. Okay. So you just select clone repository. You can clone a repository because you don't need to clone a
You can send it to me on
Okay.
Discord. You know, Discord again.
All right.
There you go. Josh. So if you send it to me on Discord,
Let me do that.
that would probably save me the time of
Okay. Coming right up. GitHub. And then what am I doing? And let me go here. Okay.
what's it called? Website.
Yep.
Let me see if let me see if actually I could do it like this. Okay, look here. Yep, Clinic of AI website. I think it's this. Nope.
My Discord is still trying to load. It's trying to load up, so just give me a little bit. All right. So and let me send you the repository link to the GitHub
GitHub,
website.
the name. If you just give me the name.
Yeah. So I've sent it to your DM. Send it to your Discord and to your DM. in
Okay,
Discord.
but this is okay. That's
Yeah.
yeah, and now I gotta go here. Just take this over here. Code, and I gotta basically
But are
just
you logged in? Are you logged into? Are you logged into
yeah.
your GitHub on Cursor?
Pretty sure.
All right. So I think
Profiles.
that's
Wait. Um, could that be? Could that might be the issue? Cursor settings, account, is this? Yeah, Clinic of AI. I think that's the one that. Yes, go to import, instant import all of it. Extension, key binding. I think so. So let me do that and this.
is something totally different. But which this is Python, right? Yeah, this is Python. Nah, this is something totally different. I think there's a bit of delay because I'm seeing, yeah, there's a bit of delay in
Okay,
feedback.
wait. Ah, it's that thing. It's telling me it's corrupt.
Do you have Git installed on your computer?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Source rate, it's fine. Ah, they want me to reinstall it. Here, look. You're not signed into GitHub. How about this?
Well, you can manually clone the repository, right?
Yeah. Got it here.
Manually just do like a Git clone, then the
Here,
repository
look.
link.
I got the link over here. Put it here. Um, you know what? Right. So want that on my terminal, my PowerShell, coding website, store it here. You want to clone it into Zooter, you can add the directory name after the URL. I'm just gonna run it. Cloning into website. Okay. Hello, hello.
Launch your store in no time with Shopify. Choose your theme, customize
Already
templates,
here. Let's clone.
start selling in just a few clicks. No
website, desired directory name. Change that up. Okay. Enable. You might be right. I might have. Well, I got Git. I got Git here. But look, seems like we got. Seems like we got what we.
All right, I think you have it cloned. If you've cloned it,
Yeah. Let me
cloned
just
it, but
check.
you
Website, desired direct. Yeah, it's in here. Okay, it's got a lot of. It's well organized, but
do you have npm installed?
who? Yeah, NPM, yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna need to do you're going to need to do
No,
npm
no, no.
install. If you don't have npm installed, then that's gonna have to be a different ball game right now, because you then need to install npm in order
Okay.
to work on.
So NPM is so that I can work with Python, right?
No, so that you could work with Node.js. Do you have Node.js installed?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Oh.
This. Let's go back to here. Here I've got my website. And there's some feedback coming from your side. Website. Decide to public. Website. I got some feedback from your side coming. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So where are we? You're gonna need to, because currently right now, if you don't have npm,
I do.
and you don't have Node.js.
I have
Okay.
Node.js and NPM.
Can you do this command for me? Do node dash dash version on your command or your CLI on your command line. On your terminal. Oh, you're your terminal. Need to see your node version.
Okay.
To check, to double check.
I'm PowerShelling it, by the way.
From the terminal, if you do node, then if you type node then space, then dash dash version. I'll be able
It's
to
not
check your
really,
node version.
it's not really playing friendly with me. Okay. Yeah, see, should be up. We got node. PCC user affiliate desktop page plus coding website. Yeah, it seems like it's the right place where we just put the website in. So, I think we're good.
You're still gonna need to install the packages. You're still gonna need to do npm install. In order to install all the packages, all the dependencies required for the project. So you do npm install. On the terminal.
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
No. I think you can kill this terminal and create a new one. Why is it squashed? It looks squashed. Just try adjusting the column.
Let's get here inside the,
Yeah, so you
in the
just need to
project
do
directory. Okay, there you go.
you need to do npm install.
Yeah, I'm in the project directory installing. Jesus. You see what I'm seeing?
There's a bit of a delay in transmission.
Right.
Yes. So I think it has froze a bit. Oh, let me see.
Block version prior to V9 are no longer supported.
Let me see. Okay. Live. Okay. No, it's installing. I think it's installing the packages.
Vulnerability is too low, one model not too high to address the issue. Not
That's just a normal npm thing. It's installing the packages.
okay. Let's see if it's well installed. Okay, we got the 10.8.1 web stall. Make sure you're in the project directory. Yes, we're in the project directory, which is this one. Perfect. Make sure Node.js and npm are installed. Node.js, I mean, I have it installed on my computer. Do I need to like run something on my terminal? You think?
No. Okay,
Yeah, let's just make sure. Let's just make sure. Node version. Yeah. Seems like it's okay. Version you might need to run. Okay, no. npm install legacy peer depths. If you have dependency conflicts, you can try. I don't have any dependency conflicts, it seems. If you need to start fresh, you can leave the node modules folder and package JSON files. So, let's just look. Let's see if it. What are we working with nowadays? The sonnet.
Yeah,
Aren't we
we have
supposed?
everything.
Aren't we supposed to have the sonnet? Wait. Aren't we supposed to have? Yeah. This is on. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so look, seems like I got the website here, right? And all the files.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay, so
Does it look okay? Does it look
yeah,
does it look healthy?
yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good.
All right.
So always check to make sure everything is set up. Is try running um try running um uh what do you call it? Next run dev. So next space run space dev to start up the development server.
Pick your. Uh-huh. Next, is that something you need to install?
No,
Next.js.
no, run then dev. Yes. So it's on next. Okay, sorry, npm rather. Sorry, npm run dev, not next run dev. npm
And
run
we're in
dev.
the right. We're in the right.
Yeah, yes, it's
It's
npm
here,
run dev.
right? Okay.
Yeah,
npm run dev.
npm no, npm
npm run dev.
npm npm yes run dev.
Okay. Okay. Look, npm install. We've done that, haven't we? Haven't we done that?
No. Yes, try this. npm you're doing npm run dev. Yeah.
This submission could not read JSON. Isn't it? Don't I have to open user settings in JSON or something? Or
Not really.
opening GitHub? So, bugs, fixes, completion, config, diff, this is docs, doctor, edit, exec, explain, explore, find, install. No, keep getting this. Could not read package JSON. I think it's like it's not reading JSON. Here, look. It's because don't I need a.
Do dir. Do dir. dir. Let me see if any directory. Do dir. Yeah, you actually need directory. No.
Here, it's where. Do you think I need to reinstall actually cursor?
Oh, you're actually not in the directory.
Lloyd, I can't. You're muffled.
Yeah, I say you're not in the website directory. So you need to you need to go further deep into this website, into the website folder. I think there's another website folder. Uh,
Give me a
there's
second
another
here.
website folder.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, it literally created a lot of website folders.
Yeah, I know.
It
It's,
nested a lot of website folders, which I
let me
think is
just
one of the
connect it.
problems.
Make sure it's actually connected. I'm not sure. Displayed on your device. What's wrong with you? Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Ah, here. Okay. Well, at least it seems like I'm connected, which is the bare minimum. Now let's look at that. Here's the package, okay? Website, and then I got another website, and then I got another website, and a directory name.
That's too much of nested folders.
Yeah. So I have no idea which ones to keep or which ones to go.
Just all you need is
Well, I'm just
this
gonna
one.
delete all of them and just clone them again, okay?
All right.
It's not gonna let me. There's a lot of items, man. Okay. Let me see if it still gives me that it needs to be reinstalled. No. For the first time. Yes, it does. It's corrupt. But it works anyway. Okay, this now makes more sense. Okay. It is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, how are you looking now?
Have we cloned it again?
Yeah,
Okay.
cloned it from the start.
So open the folder. Open the clone folder. All you need to do is open the clone folder.
Yeah, it's here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Is this making more sense?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So you're gonna need to do the npm install thing again inside of that directory. Inside of that directory.
So you'd go here to the JSON.
No, you need to do the npm install. The npm install inside of the website directory.
Okay. Website. Okay, right. It's strange. What? You jump. Now, there you go. Thank you very much. Install. Now tell me something. Why do I have to install this locally?
You first need to test. You want to test it. Test
Okay, before you push it to
thing
the.
before you push it. Yes.
Gotcha. This thing over here about it being corrupt is doesn't seem like it's
No, that's just normal npm's way of.
now the thing here on the always says my thing is corrupt. 5 vulnerabilities, too low and moderate, too high to address npm audit fix, to address all issues run npm audit fix force, run npm audit for details. Okay, so we got npm. Okay, looks a little bit better.
Yeah. Now do npm run dev to start local development server.
That would be the same as
npm run dev.
JSON. Oh, your name's over here.
Okay.
Who are you?
Uh, it's start. Yes, everything is working now. You can look at the website in local development mode by, you see where we have that local HTTP localhost
Mm-hmm.
3000.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
if you go to that web address, you should see. If you go open your browser
Wait.
and go to that web address.
There's some stuff. It's still compiling, it seems. But I got this it's still running some things. Wait, yeah, it's opening.
Oh man.
It's opening. Good. Yeah, you just tell me what you know
I,
about dev,
yeah.
and I'll be playing with it. Terminate batch
Alright.
job.
So
Oh, I'm
if you
not
go to the
supposed to that words.
it's local development mode, right? Everything is set up.
I
So
wanna I
let me just
wanna I
show you
wanna
what
install this uh I wanna install a plugin where I can see view in browser. You know what I mean?
view in browser
Yeah, I want to install a plugin over here which lets me live preview the local server.
directly on cursor.
It should be here, yeah.
Is it directly on cursor?
Yeah.
Uh,
Here, look. Where is it? The preview is available in internet for the files hosted by the server, but it's for HTML files.
for HTML files.
Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind that. We don't need that. It's a nice thing to have, not a need to have. So, what do you want? What is it? Get icon? Yeah, I got the icon. We have a problem with the tab icon, or what's going on?
Man, I'm fucking exhausted, bro.
Let me get Devin spinning, and then. All right, look, we got this.
So just I think the next thing is to everything is correctly set up right now. The next thing is to just start chatting with Devin, right?
Okay.
Maybe you could tell him to maybe
So let me go back here. And ooh, hey buddy, easy tiger. Something happened. Yes, something happened. When I pressed here. Just fix it. Yeah. Okay. Seems like it. Let me try it again. Sorry. Yeah. Give me the local host. Voila. That damn takes a long time to load. Oh. This is what happened last time. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So, hey, have a look at this picture afterwards. The fact that it's gone is it's weird. So, here's Devin. Okay. It's got apparently 2 links, which is our website, app data, logo, programs, cursor, tasks, give Devin task.
yeah. So from here you can then tell Devin what to do, right?
Okay, and what about his knowledge base?
It has everything. It has everything. All of the information it needs to know about the website. Immediately we did the integration, it immediately synced everything and make sure it's created a knowledge base here for the website.
So is there like wait, is there a give me a coding tasks, and there's a chat, and there's a task, or it's just tasks?
It's just it, I mean, there's a chat, right? Like
What
you can give it to.
here?
It's chat.
This is a chat, yeah, but it's where you give him the tasks as well.
Yes.
Okay, so oh, now the if I wanted him to
You can tell him for something very simple, right? Tell it to check for typographical error in the local repository. Check for typographical error in the local repository. I think that's something very simple and straightforward.
it's gonna find a lot of them, I think. Wait, does it only look at does it only look at is this website including the this package including the one that he I think you didn't accept it yet, the one of GHL the one of our
Oh. Yeah.
just tell me one thing, is this also including the is this also including the part of for example the newest web page that you haven't you
Yes.
haven't
Yes.
okay, all right, tell you what, um I'm gonna play around with it a little bit.
Mm.
I think I got enough. So
Mhm.
wait. Ah, now, damn, it takes long.
Right. That's the only disadvantage that I've seen so far. Takes long. Takes a while.
Okay, let me ask you something. Like, um, would you consider Devin something, or would you consider him worthwhile, or would you consider him in any way, shape, or form suitable to like choose a favicon for a new page, or would you have to kind of like feed him uh different different libraries or different packages of sorry, different libraries of favicons, not favicons, sorry, Lottie, let's say Lottie files. We want something like that's animated, right? Let's say for the
Mm.
ERP part, we want to show that like it's the foundation, you know. So we want an image that like represents the foundation. Um, would you delegate in any way that task to him by searching for
Mm. The first thing we first need to know or try to understand is is does Devon have the ability to be creative? Right, because when we're moving towards that side, that part, we're moving towards a creative aspect of coding, right? So is Devon able to be creative enough to know exactly what's needed and the style? Because there's so many other things you consider when selecting for like a lotus, like the styles and all those things and the animation and so I don't know is getting creative enough to pull out something like that and I won't know yet till we test him out, right?
okay, have you
So
connected, like, how are you connecting more stuff to his knowledge base? Are you do you have to go to the website um to the actual Devon user interface?
okay,
Uh,
So I don't know. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure Devin is able to download stuff by itself from the internet. So I'm not sure Devin can do that. I don't think Devin can do that.
Look, here it's already connected to everything. Like it's basically the same, but you can come over here and put document. No, sorry, that's not right. Oops. There should be a knowledge base
Yeah,
uh,
there's knowledge base. There's a knowledge base.
that you can feed into.
There's knowledge base. But in order to have a lottery up there, we need to download the lottery, right?
Yeah, and feed them a
To download the
bunch
lottery
of
file. Yeah.
yeah.
And in order to download the lottery file, Devin will need to access the internet
He does
to
access
make
the
the download.
internet though, right?
No, no, like to make the download, to perform the download action and store the downloaded file in our code. So what I'm saying is, I don't think Devin has the ability to download stuffs yet. Because why do I say so is that when I was creating the while I was creating the website, the new page, while I was prompting Devin to create the new page, I it it needed to it's I told it to come up with, okay, I gave it the content and I told it to come up with a content structure, a content architecture for the web page. And because of that, it tried using uh it tried using um like different links, which I think were links trained, some of those resource links that were used in training the data, training the training Devin. Right, so he tried using those links, and then what in deployment there was an error because according to Devin assumed that by just adding the link, by adding the link, he assumed that all of those resources were already present in the repository, right? Which were not. So, and I told him when I prompted him to like fix, and then it was giving me suggestions that there are only two options that he can do right now, which is either to use a placeholder images or use existing images present in the project, right? So that's brought me to the conclusion that Devin can really it can access the it can access the internet definitely, but I don't think it can it has the ability, the capability right now to download assets, to
Oh,
download things.
oh. Like I mean, Code Composer does. I
Mm,
don't know, but tell you what, go get some shut eye.
okay.
Because I mean, all of this that we're talking about, like now from here
Mm,
I can sort of I can sort of figure my way out around it, and um uh yeah, tomorrow we can see if like you can quickly
mm,
show me like in a short stream we can have like a short stream just for you to show me the pine cone and the bot like what um what status they're in, and then we can go to work on actual
yeah.
things that um on B2B stuff that we need to get ahead on.
Yeah. All right.
But you go
Sounds
get some shut eye.
all right, man. Explore. And maybe give me your feedback tomorrow. What you think about everything.
Yeah.
Mm,
Oh.
all right.
Just
All
tell me
right.
something like here he creates PRs, okay? So um what you do is what do you do once like so he's doing this stuff, right? And so he puts a push request. Um
and you check them out. Is that what you do?
So what you're going to do, right, is that it will, when it makes a it will make
Pull request.
a pull request,
So he still
and then
hasn't.
to tell,
Okay. Got it.
yeah, to tell you that it has made a pull request, and then you can tell it to merge, so it can automatically merge the pull request. It has
A-
the access to do that.
And
It
then
has the permission to do that.
when do I see uh the like? Okay, I've asked
The
him to
update.
check the. I've asked him to. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
Don't worry. Once you do the pull request, right? Once it merge the pull request, then
When is
you
he actually
can
gonna show me the results, and how do I see them? Like is he gonna is he gonna like just write to me over here?
yes, yes. All the feedback. It's gonna give you all the feedback in the chats. Everything is doing.
All right. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, everything is every action it takes, it gives you, it lets you know in the chats. On the
Gotcha.
chats there. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I'm
Go get some
very
rest.
exhausted, man.
It's 5:35. Yeah. Go get some rest. We might do
All right.
if we think we're ready. We might do the pinecone thing and bot thing tomorrow. If not, we'll focus
All right.
on more immediate things. Like for example, in this stream, I guess because it's very early on set. I guess we get like some followers from TikTok and stuff, but it's not like we can create from it. We can create like a full on proper video then, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
um, I guess we have to measure out as well. But this is good for me because now I can also use Devin, and I don't know how much time we got left with him, or if they even cancel him before. But all right, I'll catch you later. All right, Josh, man.
All right. All
Josh,
right. All
man,
right.
man.
All right. All right. See you.
Take it easy.
See you guys. Our 10,000 streamers. See you guys.
10,000, 100, 200, 300, 400.
Yeah. All right. Catch you later. Where's all this shit? How do I turn?
I'm gonna put this in on intermission. And be right back. Mm.